Do you want to make a collage on Facebook Story? You can create photo collage in Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a collage on a Facebook Story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story from the top of your newsfeed. Now, choose multiple pictures from your gallery that you want to include in your collage. Once selected, tap the Next button. From here, select the Photo Collage option. Now, Facebook will automatically arrange them into a collage layout. You can then adjust the layout, swap photos, resize, or reposition them within the collage. Once you're happy with your collage, tap on the Share button to post it to your story for your friends or followers.